Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the VW Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline Panavan. This long wheelbase Panavan comes fitted with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The van also comes equipped with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, this vehicle comes finished in the solid paint colour Ascot grey. Across the front of the vehicle, we'll find a colour coordinated front bumper, complete with a set of LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. In the lower portion of the front bumper, we'll also find a set of front parking sensors, as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below and across all four wheels, we'll find a set of the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 split spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate without a window. Across the tailgate we'll find some transporter badging, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This paired with the rear parking sensors helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area of the vehicle, there's an increased amount of storage space in the back of the load area thanks to the long wheelbase format. The load area comes fully ply lined, as well as having multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and there's also a step on the side allowing easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some underseat storage. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature. The App Connect feature allows the user to connect their smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Selecting reverse gear will bring the camera feed up onto the colour touchscreen, and the vehicle also comes with a parking distance control. Located just beneath the colour touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down and to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C outlets, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go, and the driver of course has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline Panavan. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.